is not equal to 0 over 2, then we say the expression here, 1 over a divided by 2 minus a. They say that this expression is equivalent to which of the following? Now it gives us a list of 5 numbers here, or 5 terms. So it equal to 1 over 2 minus a squared. Like we said, we're numbering these. Okay. So this is the second. 2 over a minus 2 is the third. Let's say 1 over 2a (1 over a squared) and 2 over 2a minus 1 for the fifth one. Well, no, if you're given this expression by dividing 1 over a by 2 minus a, they're saying which is it equal to? Is it equivalent to which expression? And you can pause the video or the lesson and try to see for yourself before we walk through it. Now we're going to search for what the correct answer is. So we have 1 over a divided by 2 minus a. So that's equivalent. So we rewrite that. You can rewrite it something that's visually more comprehensive, because this is 1 over a divided by 2 minus a. So we can write it as such. Okay. Now that is also equal to 1 over a divided by 2 minus a over 1. Okay, now that's what that becomes. Okay. But if we should have this written down now, and then I'll drop down another line. Now if you multiply this, if you want to turn this into form into a multiplication, remember we multiply by the reciprocal when we are dividing a fraction. So this becomes that form. Okay, now this then becomes it then becomes 1 over a by 2 minus a. And here the a gets distributed into the term. You multiply a by 2 and you multiply a by a. Then that gives us 2a minus a squared, or a by a. Okay? So simplifying that into our notation, you 1 over 2a minus a squared. Which was number 1. Which was number 1 of the choices. So this here is our answer for the equivalency of this expression. So say that one there. Alright, now here we have another practice example. That here is 1 divided by 1 minus 5/3. Okay? Now here the 3 under this we do not place it up there. That does not happen. See, because here 1 is being divided by both the additives. You see? Okay? Now this is here put in this form, 1 divided by 1 minus 5/3. Now you can do this, and from this point you can do it in 2 steps. You could change this number first or after. So you're going to have to change this into, you're going to have to find what is 1 minus 5/3. Or how many thirds is it? You can find out. So 1 here, so we want to change this 1 into a number such that 3 is its denominator. Okay, so we can combine it. Okay, so in order to get that, you have to multiply 1 by 3. So we have to multiply 1 by 3 over 3. Because that equals 1 times 1. And 1 times 1 equals 1. So that's what we can replace. So we can substitute 3 over 3 for this 1. Okay. So we get 3/3 minus 5/3. Okay, now that's going to become 3 minus 5 over 3. Okay. You get 3 minus 5 over 3. So that's going to give you a negative result. So you're going to get negative 2 over 3.